So this is my presentation on Eudicot and monocot flowers. So for my first example of a Eudicot flower, I chose a rose, and as you can see on the leaf, you see that it is a netted vein, as in it goes here, here, here. It is just kind of all over the place, I guess you can say, and it's not parallel. You can see right here the netted part of it, it branches here, 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 and here. It's just not a clean straight line. And another indicator I saw was not physically, but as you cut through the stem, you notice that there's a ring around it. That's the vascular tissue. So the vascular tissue is arranged in a ring. So that's also another indicator on it being a Eudicot flower. My second choice was the hibiscus flower. And as you see right here, you can see how pronounced the netted veins are. You can see right here how it branches off this way, it branches off over here, and another indicator showing that the petals, how there are multiples of 4 or 5. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then again right here you can also still see the netted veins. This monocot choice was a palm tree. The palm tree leaves are narrow, as you can see how narrow are they compared to this one, how this one is more wider. You can see the parallel lines within it, so it's just all straight lines this way, all going in one direction compared to the Eudicot. So that's one big noticeable thing that I saw that made me realize that it's a monocot. Another indicator is the fibrous roots that it has. You can see that there's many roots coming from the base of the stem. So from all right here, you can see the different roots coming out from there. And then here's just a picture showing the palm tree and how big it is because of the support that it has. And then my next example, I'm not too sure what this flower is called, but I noted on here that you can see the parallel lines. You can see it going straight across like this, and they're not webbed out. And that was my big indication showing that it was a monocot. And with this flower, I believe it's called a calla lily. This picture in the middle shows the petals, which are in threes. Here's 1, 2, I believe that's a third one. Yeah, so you can see that they come in threes or right here. And then you can also see on the leaves right here that it's also going parallel. Although it is wider compared to this one over here, it still has the parallel veins on it. And yeah, that is my presentation. Thank you.